What's the matter, Purple Turtle? Didn't you like Melody's new place?
Well, sure, but it's just so far away from the rest of us. Huh? She'll be fine. What could possibly happen to... Where is this wind coming from? I don't know, but it's getting really bad. Let's go in there! I hope Melody's okay. I think it's over now. Let's go see if Melody's okay. Melody! I'm here, but my nest, it's there and here. This is all that's left. I'm sorry, but I'm glad you're okay. All that work, the most perfect nest I've ever made, and now it's gone.